It has been exactly a week now since the deadly spa shootings in Metro Atlanta sent shockwaves across the country and compounded the grief and fear in the Asian American community in particular. 6 of the 8 victims were Asian women. Now, investigators say the confessed killer claims the shooting was not racially motivated. A veteran defense attorney spoke to Fox 5's Portia Bruner about the murder case against him.
Attorney Sandy Wallach is not connected to the spa shooting case or to murder suspect Robert Long. But the prominent defense attorney says Long's attorneys will likely spend months, if not years, sorting through some very complicated issues as it relates to defending a man who has already confessed to horrible crimes.
This was an attack on the Asian community.
The calls for justice grow louder and more passionate by the day as many outraged by the murder of 8 people at Asian-owned spas insist Robert Aaron Long's shooting spree was a hate crime.
A 21-year-old white man targeted 3 Asian businesses, driving 40 minutes from one spa to another, passing other adult entertainment businesses.
6 of the murder victims were Asian women. Cherokee County investigators say the 21-year-old murder suspect claimed his sex addiction drove him to pull the trigger at businesses in Cherokee County and in Buckhead. A former halfway house roommate says Long previously spoke about struggling with sexual urges when they were in treatment together.
He said, I went to one of these places, I feel like I'm falling out of God's grace.
Whether it was racially motivated or not, there are some significant issues there, because even if it wasn't racially motivated, it was violence directed at women.
Veteran defense attorney Sandy Wallach is not connected to the murder case, but says Long's defense team has a lot of research to do as they mount their defense against a man who some believe deserves the death penalty.
You have to get to know your client. You have to get to know who they were and what caused them to act in the way that they did. And here we have Mr. Long, who has admitted doing the shootings. And, if that's the case and his defense cannot get around that, then their focus is going to have to be on trying to explain why he did what he did.
Portia Bruner, Fox 5 News.